What's going on, guys? It's Kude here, and today we're on Mortal Kombat, the Leatherface pack. Again, a little late, but I will be doing Day of the Dead right away tomorrow. I have some accounts in preparation to make a nice video, spending more than 100,000 souls on the pack to try to max out the team so we can get the exact amount down of how much you need. And I hope that helps. If you need to go and buy souls for this pack or for the Day of the Dead pack in preparation, because if you're trying to order 80,000 souls, you probably should do it now, because if you wait, you will miss the opportunity because it's not going to be fast enough for you to be able to get it on the spot. But yeah, there's a sale going on at my store, by the way, so if you want to get in on the Halloween sale, then boom, there you go. Anyways, as you can see, we have just nothing on here, but I want to open up the Leatherface pack and see how much it actually takes to max out Leatherface, and go back and look whether we did get Leatherface or not maxed. Let's skip to how much you get for 95,000 souls, but before we do that, let's take a look at the pack. 4% chance, 10% chance, same exact chances. Rusty Chainsaw is 1% though in this pack. Anyways, guys, let's move on. Alright, having a look at the results here, we got Leatherface Fusion level 9. Better than Freddy, because we got Freddy to Fusion level 7, so that wasn't very good. But let's see what kind of diamonds we got this time around. Interesting. We got way more diamonds than the one with Freddy. And we didn't get Assassin Scarlet. I mean, the diamonds have to be the same, don't they? I guess there's some diamonds that I didn't get in the Freddy video that I couldn't show off here. But interestingly enough, there's Black Dragon Tremor. So this pack was updated pretty frequently up until a point where there's like, nope, let's not include any new diamonds. But that's alright, because it's good as it is. More diamonds will just make it harder to get Leatherface. So anyways, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah.
Where am I going now? Just falling over dreams. Now I'm just so far gone, this isn't what it seems. Taking me so damn long, it's fading from belief. I need to slow this down, it's burning from beneath. Come